Okay, so say you'd like to launch a Lambda Labs instance from your terminal. You just start the CLI application, and here you get a listing of all the available instances, but maybe the instance that you'd like to launch, the instance type, is in high demand. So you can also access instances that are unavailable, and this is where this really shines. So let's say we'd like to launch an instance with an A100 GPU, and it will continue requesting that instance every 5 seconds until somebody releases it, and then you can grab it yourself. But let's cancel out of this. Okay, so let's pick an instance that is available. All right, and right, the instance is launching, but it might take a couple of minutes for it to become active. So you can, go do something else and then be back in a bit. Okay, so the Lambda Labs instance is now active. We can connect to it. It finished booting, and to make our life easier, let's add the SSH config for the instance automatically. Okay, so we only have a single instance. Let's pick it. Right, yeah, we're happy with the auto-generated alias. And now we can connect to it, and we can connect to it from VS Code. So this is the SSH config, the bit of the SSH config that we just created. But if I were to do it, it would take me into another window, and you would not be able to see the results. So instead, I will just SSH from the terminal, SSH, and we have auto completion. There we go, and we've accessed the running instance. So we can do some work now, and once we are done, we can just as easily terminate the instance by doing so. All right, and there we go. So the instance will be now terminating, will be now shutting down. So my rationale for creating this was that doing everything in your terminal makes for a much nicer user experience, and I don't have to be distracted going to the website. Plus certain things like terminating all the running instances are not available via the web GUI, which they are available here. And of course the wait feature, it's extremely useful. So recently I've been putting quite a bit of effort into coming up with ways how to improve my workflow in general, and I have a couple of other tricks up my sleeve that I will try to share over the next couple of days, so do stay tuned, and below I will link to how you can get this client and to the GitHub repo for the code for running this.